That's right. You see the actual footage of my vehicle. This is a 2018 Nissan Rogue that I bought brand new with 5 miles on it. Now I got over 300,000 miles. Original engine, original transmission. We know what the key is getting miles this high? Taking care of the maintenance. Oil change every 5,000 miles. Once I got to 100,000 miles, I switched to full synthetic. For the CVT transmission, it's original. Every 35,000 miles, I go to the Nissan dealership, cost for about $300, get the fluid changed out. Every 100,000 miles, switch out the spark plugs, air filter, everything else. I done took this car across country about 5 times, here to Arizona, down to Florida and back. I watch a lot of YouTube videos about CVT transmissions. Don't make a difference which car manufacturer you go with. If you ain't taking care of the maintenance, you're gonna have like a $4,000-$5,000 headache trying to repair that transmission. It ain't worth it. Or you take my advice, cough up that $300 at the Nissan dealership or wherever you want to go, get that CVT fluid switched out, and you can get over 300,000 miles on your car. Like I said, I'm the original owner of this car right here. Yeah, look at it. Got a little rough on the paint. A few scratches here and there, but it's alright. I had it for 8 years, since April 2018. Like I said, take care of your maintenance, and it go a long way. Show y'all that dashboard again. That's over 300,000 miles. Original engine, original transmission. It's my engine bay right here. .5 4-cylinder, decent gas. She keeps going and going and going. Japanese quality.